my god, how many more of these decorations are there?
Calm down, Thomas. Soon we'll be back at our nice warm shed.
It sure is cold. Whew. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's so fucking cold.
Driver says it's below freezing.
Are you fucking kidding me?
This good?
No, it needs to be bigger, Chesley.
But this is the third tree I brought here.
Well, the controller is expecting the biggest tree this year. At least 1,080 inches exactly.
Man, come on.
Well, you might want to get the tree she wants if you don't want her to get upset.
Fine.
I have acquired the party guests. Just leave the coaches here. Yes, sir.
How long is this going to take?
We're almost done. Just wait about like 2 more hours.
Oh my god! Seriously?
Your complaining isn't going to make things go much faster.
Fine.
I got the food.
Good. Just shunt them over on that siding over there. Dude, what the fuck? Not that siding.
Oh shit, my bad.
Just move them to the next siding. That is perfect.
This tree is heavy.
Alright, so we have Noah, Tails, Nathaniel, Justin, William, Thomas, Percy, Ambush, and Chesley. And where's Silly? Wait, I see him. There he is.
He's coming in very fast.
Sacrifices.
No, bad Silly, bad. Bad Silly, bad. Stop.
Oh shit.
Sacrifices.
Cut!
I'm going to have an aneurysm. I mean, even though our Christmas party got fucked up, at least we're spending Christmas with each other, right? I guess. Well, Merry Christmas.
I'm the color purple.
What the fuck happened there?